Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. When it comes to car windows, over time, your rubber seals here and down here can start to get brittle and stiff. So if you take some silicone spray, or in this case silicone lubricant, if you spray the inside and along the bottom trim, that is going to help make your window easier to slide up and down. Now, this is especially important when you're parked outside. If your power windows are starting to struggle to open and close, or in my case, you have a mechanical hand crank like I do here, that extra stress is going to wear things out prematurely. So guys, if you spend a little bit of money on a can like this, that's going to help maximize the life of your window regulator. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.